Today I'm going over the Rockwell 6C, which in my opinion is one of the best razors in the wet shaving market today. Now, there's other razors you can buy that are mild razors, which is great, medium aggressive razors, which is great, and aggressive razors. I'm not knocking any of those, but what I'm telling you is this safety razor is made for everyone. Rockwell Razors has such a unique feel on your face with zero blade feel and enough aggression for anybody to use. Now they have a couple different models. They have the Rockwell 6C, the 6S, and those are the ones with the 3 different plates, which I highly recommend. So we're going to go through this razor, do a shave, and show you how well these razors work on my face today.
This is it. It's a wow. So I'm going to be using Boon to Beard's Boom Slang. I just did a head shave, and I might pipe some of that in on the end just so you can see it, because I know not everybody likes to head shave or doesn't head shave on my channel, but you know, I use the Rockwell 6C as well. And I'm going to be using their aftershave well, which is a firm one. Man, I love this stuff. You guys haven't tried any of their products, I'd give it a go. You won't regret it. Thank me in the comments below. All right, so I didn't take a shower, so I'm just going to throw some warm water on my face. I did do a head shave, so I've kind of half-ass prepped, you know, my skin. I already have some soap on here. Just going to go in here and grab a little bit more. These tins are huge, though. I like it. All right, so as always, ooh, this is really cold. As always, I'm just going to paint it on my face. And this is how to build up a lather. I know when I first started out, building a lather was tough. Like, I wasn't using the proper technique. I was getting the brush too wet and not putting enough soap on my face, or not going down and getting water on it. That's what I just did. Now, how I got better at working up a lather on my face was at night. I have so many, you know, high-end soaps or creams. I would just use it, and I use it all around to practice on working up a lather. And I gotta say, that helped me out tremendously. All right, the build quality of this. This is made out of zinc alloy. It's a 3-piece razor. It's got great knurling on the handle. You get 3 of these plates. This is the 5/6 plate. Whatever plate you want to shave with, that's what you want showing. And then you have your, you know, top cap, which it does has the post system, but this razor is so phenomenal. It just gives such a unique shave. So I got a AccuThrive blade in here. It's one of, you know, it's the old medical prep. So I want the R6 plate. I'm just going to screw that back on. And there we go. Now, the cool thing about this Rockwell 6C is the way it's weighted and balanced. It has such a great balance. When you hold this in your hand, you know you're holding something precious, something that's made of quality. It really feels like that. You're just like, wow. And I believe it weighs 105 grams. So it's got some heft to it. You know, let's just start our shave here. So the first pass, I'm going to go with the grain on my face here. Pick out our spot here. Well, I just did a head shave, so it doesn't matter. But this razor, like I said, is weighted so well, you just set it on your face and then just pull it. You don't have to put any pressure on it whatsoever. That's really nice. See how good that is? Unbelievably good. Crazy good. I mean, as you can see, I am a Rockwell fanboy. I love this razor. I love all their razors. I mean, its big brother is made out of stainless steel, and, you know, I would suggest that, but for a budget razor, you can't pass this one up. You really can't. And I know when you're first starting out, you're looking for that, you know, $20, $30 range razor. You might go up to $40. So you might go into, the Mercur 34C. But I'm telling you what right now, if you use my code below, buy it directly from Rockwell, you're going to get this razor for $50, or I think it's like $52 with my code and the discount. Brother, you got to do that. This is a must have when you're starting out, because when you start out, you don't know how coarse your hair is or your skin, if it's sensitive. Well, you kind of do, but you don't know what level you need it on. You don't know if you need a mild razor, a medium aggressive razor, or an aggressive razor. You get all that right here in one. That's what makes this razor so special. And it outperforms any and all competitors at its price point. There's no comparison. I don't care what anybody says. There is no comparison. Don't forget to hit that like button and help a brother out. And you'll notice, like down in the comments, if you ever read the comment section, people always ask, when I'm shaving with a different razor, what plate does that refer to on the Rockwell 6C or 6S? They're, people, because everybody owns them. And you know why? They're so good. Okay. All right. Good stuff. Foot's starting to thump a little bit.
Use a wash rag, and that'll all gradually come off. And then you can do, after you get them wrapped, depending on what's still exposed, you can do a little bit of like moisturizer.
Okay.
Normally have that thing propped up all day. Okay. Ooh. Sharp pain. Whew. That wasn't my face, that's my foot. Okay. All right, let's get that a rinse. Oh shit, that thing's fucking hurting. Ooh, fuck. Shit. Oh boy. All right, let's get through this fucking shave real quick here. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh. Hurry, hurry, hurry. All right, it's going back in for the second pass here real quickly. Foot's starting to hurt. Would show it, but man, they took out a huge chunk out of my foot, dude. Got bit by a spider, didn't know it, swelled up, got infected. Oh boy, we got problems. Pray for me. Definitely need a lot of prayer. All right. Now the good thing is the high quality soap. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that, my friend. Look at the sheen, so good. Now when you're done, you think you're done, squeeze that soap out of your brush, because you're just going to be rinsing it down the drain anyways, and put it on your face. I put it real heavy in my sensitive areas, which is my neck. Top, not really worried about it. And I'm going to go in for my second pass variation shave. All right. That's easy. Very easy. All right, set that to the side here. I'm gonna give this a rinse. Now I got warm water. Yeah, I got that good enough. All right, now I got warm water right now, just to rinse this one off. And I'm gonna flip it to cold. I don't use scalding hot water. Turn that down. I never use scalding hot water. All right, skin's already looking really good. Now I'm gonna go in with the alum block. These alum blocks is a godsend. It's gonna let you know where you were at in your shave. So you got a nice wet face, wet your alum block, and just go over it. Little bit of tingle right here. And that's what this alum block's gonna show you. Where you got a little too aggressive or your technique wasn't great. But I gotta say that Rockwell 6C, it's gonna make you a better shaver. That's it. Put that away. Now you're always gonna wanna rinse this off your face. So take some cold water again. That's good enough. Pat your face dry. Okay. And then I like to go in with Thayer's facial toner. I got a little bit left. This might be the last time. Nope, still got a little bit left. Stuff's amazing. Goes on super wet. And it's so beneficial to you. All right, going in with the, ooh, that's white. Nice. What I do is I just take my fingernail, the back of it, cover it like so. Get a sliver of it. You can see how much I took out. Not much at all. Put it in your hand. Then just do Mr. Miyagi-san. Warm it up. And then apply it to your face, wherever you shaved, your head. I like it because on top of the stairs, it's just a great, great compliment to it. All right, that's the shave. What do I really think about the Rockwell 6C? Well, brother, I gotta tell you, this razor, there's not a better razor on the market for the money. And I'm just gonna break this down. What I do is, put that aside. After I get done shaving, I like to take an old toothbrush and just go over it. Well, once over, real quick. I like to dry them, just put them back together. You know, like I said, it's a 3-piece razor. This thing's awesome. Like, again, you get 3 of these plates. You know, you get 6 and 5, 1 and 3, and 2 and 4 plates. Now, they do have a 2C that gives you the 1 and 3 plate. It's like $40. You know, in my opinion, to get 2 more plates, go ahead and spend the extra money. But if you're really on a budget, go with the 2C. I mean, you get the 1 and 3. The 1's more of like a buffing pass. Like if I was going to go now against the grain, that's what the 1 would be for. The 3 plate, yeah, you're going to have to use well, I would have to, because I have coarse hair, I would have to use a very sharp razor like a Med Prep, a Feather, or a Kai blade, just to get that not to pull on my skin. The greatest thing is when you get the Rockwell 6C and you get the 3 plates, when that razor starts tugging on your hairs, there's 2 things you can do. You can bump up in aggression, like say you're on the 3 plate, go to the 4 plate, go to the 5 plate, go to the 6 plate, or your razor's dull. So I just shaved on the 6 plate with the Med Prep blade. You know, that was 5 days of growth on my face. I have thick, coarse hair. I didn't take a shower, so my hair is like nails sticking out, right? Got just slight stinging down here, but you can see there's no red. And that's what makes this such a great razor. Spend the extra money, give this one a try. Trust me, you won't regret in the end. Thank you so much for making it this far in the video. And since you have, I have a little surprise for you. Down in the comments below, enter hashtag Ohio Shaves Rockwell, and you'll be entered in to win this Rockwell 6C. Well, not this one, but
one that I'm going to ship to you that's brand new. So thanks for all your support, and you guys have a great week. See you down the road. Come on, America.